Hello, I'm Robin from Boatshed MIDI Canals, and today I'm glad to present you this Nicols 1000 Sedan. Let's start the inside tour by the engine test. The engine had been replaced by a Vetus M415 of 33 horsepower, and the boat also had new propeller in 2023. The engine starts from cold, and the cooling water came out normally. Now I will close this hatch to show you the level of noise during navigation. Let's start now our inside viewing. So we arrived in a nice saloon with a headroom of 1.90 meters, and here a large sofa which can be converted into a double bed of 130 by 210. This fridge works with 220 volt and also with gas. This nice galley have a 3 gas burner, a gas oven and a sink. The headroom here is 1.90 meters. Here you have the inside helm position, allowing you a nice 360 view thanks to its numerous windows. Two steps lead us to the forward part of the boat. So port side, a double bed with a coffin 140 by 185 and a headroom at its entrance of 1.85. Here a first heads and a shower on port with a headroom of 1.80 meters. Here's a forward cabin with a double berth of 140 by 190 and a headroom of 1.78. Here a second heads shower with the same headroom of 1.80 meters. Here's a starboard cabin with a double bed in a coffin of 140 by 190 with a headroom at its entrance of 1.80 meters. In this room there is a water leak to carried out that damages the wood. If you're interested in this Nicols 1000 sedans, don't hesitate to contact me, Robin from Boatshed Canals. I look forward to hearing from you.